Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Beautiful day today. We're taking a look at a 2013 Great Dane 36'6" steel wood deck, folks. Beautiful unit. Unit has been sandblasted. New kingpin plate underneath this unit. All been primed and repainted. You can see how clean it looks. Brand new buyer's toolbox on the passenger side. Refurbed steel outer rim, brand new rubber all the way around, brand new brakes and drum, air ride suspension, 36-footer, carries a universal kit on the back, Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, many other brands. Wood deck is in excellent condition, completely been repainted, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, excellent looking unit. Steel refurbed outer rim, brand new rubber. As we come back to the front, this is Equipment Remarketing. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our trucks, trailers, forklifts available for sale. Brand new 2024 Loadmax in stock, available, ready to ship. Lots of refurbed Moffetts and Princetons available. Thank you for your time.